with mint leaf. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more nice mocktail. This is the three-layer based mocktail, and the mocktail name is Pineapple Paradise. How to make Pineapple Paradise mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice. Lime juice you have to add for this mocktail. Okay. After that, what you will do? Simply you have to add 180 ml of pineapple juice. Then add 180 ml of pineapple juice, and you have to add 30 to 40 ml of pineapple crush. That's it. Okay, after that, see, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just yes, just shake all the ingredients. So always you have to carry the glass on the bottom of the glass. Okay. Then simply pour all the ingredients. Okay. After that, you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of gradient syrup. That's it. Don't add more syrup. Okay. After adding gradient syrup, then what you do? Take any type of glass or any mixer and add 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Before that, you can garnish the mocktail with one straw. Okay. After that, you have to pour the soda. 60 to 90 ml of soda, and you have to mix with the help of. After that, slowly with the help of bar spoon, you have to pour the mixture. Slowly you have to pour. See how the fancy color came. That's it. Then you can garnish the mocktail pineapple slices if you are having. I'm garnishing the mocktail with lime slices, and you can garnish with mint leaf. See how the fancy mocktail you can prepare. The mocktail name is Pineapple Paradise, with the combination of pineapple crush, pineapple juice, soda, and lemon juice, blue cocoa syrup, and granite syrup. You can make this type of fancy mocktail. Thank you very much. I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.